Hello friends. Welcome back to Digi Friends channel. Let's get started. At first, make a new layer. Click on Pen tool. Zoom on the picture and start selecting from an angle. Remember that in this tutorial, it is not necessary to be precise on making selections. Select Brush tool. Right-click on the subject. Put size on 28 and select a hard brush. Change the foreground color to white. Pick Pen tool and right-click on the picture. Hit Stroke Path and OK. Press Delete key to delete the selection path made by Pen tool. Make a new layer. Change the foreground color to a bright neon and hit OK. Hit Brush tool. Right-clicked in the selection. Change the size to 100 and select a soft brush. Start painting on the white lines carefully. Change blend mode to linear dodge add. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. Put it on 48 and hit OK. Click on Adjustment layer and go to Curves. Take this part a little lower. And this part a little upper. Now make a new layer. Hit Brush tool. Right-click on the subject. Change the size to 110 and select a soft brush. Now start painting on the white lines carefully. Change the blend mode to linear dodge add. Lower the opacity to 65. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. Put it on 112 and hit OK. Press Ctrl U and go to Hue, Saturation. Drag the second handle to the right to make the red color more reddish. Use the third handle to change the lightness of the shining color. Also, you can use the first handle to change the color to be reddish, yellowish, or any other color you like. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Put it on 50 and hit OK. Make a copy from the layer by hitting Ctrl-J on the keyboard. Lower its opacity to 45. Again, make a new layer. Using Brush tool, right-click on the subject. Put the size on 20 and select a soft brush. Start painting on the shadows of the clothes of the picture. Change the opacity of the brush on 10. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Put it on 115 and hit OK. Go to Blend Mode and select Linear Dodge Add. Click on the first layer and while holding the Shift key on the keyboard, click on the last layer to select all the layers simultaneously. Right-click on the layers and hit Merge Layers. If you like to do more, you can go to Filter, Camera Raw and drag the handles to the left or right and see the changes of your picture. Now one more point. The picture on the left was made by Linear Dodge Add in the Blend Mood section and soft round brushes, but the picture on the right was made by normal blend mode and the hard brushes. By changing the settings during your workflow, you can achieve different interesting results. Thank you friends for joining our channel and following our videos. Please hit subscribe if you are not a channel member and do not forget to press like and the bell ring. Thank you for your support.